Today I'm going to be talking about the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Pretty simple function to do, and it helps a lot to save time, especially when you have hundreds and thousands of rows in your Excel sheet and trying to look for information from a different sheet. It will be very easy and very handy to operate. So just to get started, I'm going to go to my Excel sheet in here, and as you can see, I have a table that has a first name, a last name, and a profession for people, and I have another sheet where I only have first name, and I'm trying to fill their profession automatically without basically typing it myself and going back and forth between the sheet. This is going to be very handy if you have hundreds or thousands of rows where you don't have time and you could make errors. So to get started, I'm going to go to the cell in here where I'm trying to look for the information. I'm just going to type the equal sign from the keyboard. Then I'm going to type VLO on the keyboard, and then just type tab on the keyboard, and then that will bring me the VLOOKUP function automatically. Here I'm going to get started. So the first thing, as you can see, it says, hey, what's the lookup value? I'm just going to choose the cell I'm looking for. I'm looking from to, so basically the from the cell, basically that's the row number 2 in column A. That's Mike, and that's always, remember, it has to be the far left of the spreadsheet, because VLOOKUP always look for the left side of the spreadsheet. It doesn't go right or top or bottom, always go to the left. So basically, yes, I chose my first cell, then I just have to type comma, and then now I go to the table I'm trying to look for the information or for the information. And as you can see, it has 3 columns, so I'm going to choose the first 3 columns. So I'm going to click on the shift on the keyboard, and with the left click mouse, I'm just going to drag in here to choose those 3 columns in sheet number 1. And then it's, hey, as you can see, it's saying, hey, what's the column index number? So how many columns have you chosen? And as you can see from ABC, there's only 3. So I'm going to just type comma and type 3 again. And then lastly, I'm going to type comma and just going to type false, and false will bring the exact match. So I'm going to just type false in here. I press enter, and that will automatically bring me to the other sheet where I was trying to look for the information for the first place. And as you can see, it found that Mike is a mechanic. Now, to fill up the rest of the information, you just have to go to the far right of the cell in here where the mechanic is, and just when you see that little cross in there or the plus sign, just double click it, and that will fill the information for you automatically for the rest of the rows in that same column. And as you can see, all the information has been filled automatically without any mistake, without you going back and forth and doing all the manual work. Last thing to do is just don't leave the function as is like this, because if you want to do another join, or if you're trying to maybe copy or extract, it's best to convert these cells back to the values. Don't leave them in the function. So it's very simple. You just have to go right click, then just copy with the mouse, and then right click again on the same column, and then go to the paste special in here, and then go to the last thing, or the thing at the bottom, the space special, and then just choose values on the paste special and just press OK. And now if I press escape on the keyboard, as you can see, each row right now doesn't have the VLOOKUP function anymore. They are brought back to their normal value as a cell in the spreadsheet. That's all about this video, guys. Just remember, lastly, always look for the left side when doing the VLOOKUP function. Similar thing also in the other table that you're trying to look for the information. That column that you're looking from to has to be always on the left side or the farther left side of the spreadsheet. Otherwise, you might get some errors. If you have any questions or concerns or comments, leave them in the comment section. Get back to you as soon as possible with an answer. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Until the next video, wish you a great day.